Yeah, I'll be careful. Now, this ballet is called the Ouchie Back Ballet.
The Ouchie Back Ballet, ah.
Yes, it's the beautiful story of a handsome Louis Bird, that's me, who hurts his back, and the beautiful fairy princess,
That's me.
who helps him get better. And now, the Ouchie Back Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome
Tock,
bird
tick,
named Louis
tock.
flew
Hear the sound of that
when all
old
of a
tick
sudden,
tock
bent
clock.
over to get a
Knock and
delicious
tock,
worm.
tick, tick,
And then
tock. It's a
hurts his
rhythm that
back.
makes me
What could
wanna
he do?
rock.
He
It's
couldn't
wonderful.
fly,
It's
couldn't
marvelous how a clock can knock you off of your chair.
Fairy princess.
Tick tock, tick tock. It's the rhythm of life, and it's in the air. So, like I was saying, there's rhythm, and it's what's that? Drip, drap, dooley, dap, dap. That's water leaking through a tap. Ooh. Drap, dooley, dap, dap makes my furry fingers wanna snap. It's wonderful, it's marvelous how the water drip drops from here to there. Dooley, dap, dap, dap. It's the rhythm of life, and it's in the air. Zabba-dooba-dabba-ba-boo-bow. Zabba-dabba-dee-doo-doo-ba. Zabba-dooba-dee. Now listen. Hear that? Ka-thud, ka-thud, ka-thud. Wonder what that mysterious sound could be. Ka-thud, chug, chug, ka-thud. Is it coming from inside you and me? Ka-thud, ka-thud, ka-thud. That sound, it gives me quite a start. Hey, I know. It's the rhythm of you. It's your heart. Come on, dance with me. Zabba-dooba-dabba-ba-ba-wah. Zabba-dooba-dee-la-dabba-wah. Zabba-dooba-dee. It's wonderful. It's marvelous how your heart gets you dancing out of your chair. The rhythm of me. The rhythm of you. It's the rhythm of life. And it's in the air.
And together, they danced happily ever after.
Careful, please.
Sorry.
I wish I could do a magic dance to make your back feel better, Bobby.